Welcome back to Spinning the Past. I had a question about a proper way of winding a bobbin. This is a bobbin used for bobbin lace. Can you see that? This is a specialized bobbin. It's pretty small. And this is a thread that they would use. I don't know if you can see it. This is actually a large thread, but I need to show you something large. But I'm not going to be able to use this because I don't think you'll be able to see it. So I'm going to show you using this, pretend this is a bobbin, and then pretend this is thread. Yes, this is flat, but I just wanted to show you, it's just easier with a flat surface to show you why we roll on bobbins instead of, I've seen that. God, we don't want that. Every time you do a direction like this or this way, with yarn or thread, you're adding or subtracting twist to that thread. Just a demonstration. So watch. I'm just going to hold this still, but I'm going to move this. What happens? I'm not twisting it automatically, see that? Is putting a twist in it. I'm not doing anything. It automatically puts a twist. All I'm doing is wrapping like I would do a bobbin. Okay? See what you're doing? See what I'm doing? I'm making a snarl with that yarn. Doesn't matter if I go the opposite way. Isn't that interesting? A magic trick? As long as this is going around, it's going to be snarling. So what we do in bobbin lace is that we hold this still and we roll on. So if I roll this, and it's not going to be as easy for me like it would be on a actual bobbin. See, it doesn't want to stick, but you would have, I just want to show you. So if I hold the thread straight and I twirl this bobbin stick, you see I'm not adding any twist. Just ignore that at the top because this is a flat surface and your thread is not. But you can see it's rolling on this way. So I'm twisting the bobbin. I'm not twisting that. This, by twirling the bobbin, does not add twist to your thread. But if I do this, I am adding or subtracting twist to that thread. Okay. So let's see if I can get it here. So this is the way I do it. I hold this, use my thumb as an anchor, which I couldn't do on there. So again, if I go like this, I am actually adding twist, and I know it's really fun to do it that way. But you're adding or subtracting twist because I showed you, I demonstrated on, but that's kind of a micro level that you're seeing. So instead, once I get this caught, it'll be easier. Okay, let me just get that anchored down. Okay, there we go. So now if I keep the thread still, let me see if I can bring it up closer. If I keep the thread still, but I twirl this bobbin like this, and do it a little bit nicer than I do, but you can see this is stationary, this is the one that's turning, and it doesn't add twist. Isn't that fun magic? Anyways, I just wanted to do that and show that for somebody who had a question about adding twist onto bobbins. So, all right, I'll catch you next time on Spinning the Past.